Welcome to Brandon's Awakening channel. In this video, we will talk about how to overcome your anxiety. Follow us. But first, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like the video. Let's get started with the video. Anxiety is a natural human emotion, a fundamental part of the daily tapestry of life. It's our innate response to pressure, our brain's way of alerting us to potential danger or an upcoming challenge. However, when this feeling intensifies and spirals out of control, it becomes a formidable barrier, preventing us from living our lives to their fullest potential. If you feel anxiety dominating your days and thoughts, you are not alone. Millions worldwide face this battle, and more importantly, millions overcome it. Overcoming anxiety is not a magical overnight process. Rather, it is a journey that demands awareness, patience, and perseverance. It's a journey of self-discovery, where you learn to understand your emotions, control your reactions, and reclaim the reins of your life. Understand your anxiety, the first step towards liberation. Before you can begin to tackle anxiety, you need to understand it. What triggers your anxiety? Is it social situations, work pressure, financial worries, or unexpected events? Identifying your triggers is your first step toward gaining control. When you know what sets off your anxiety, you can start developing effective strategies to deal with it. Remember that anxiety is often fueled by exaggerated negative thoughts about the future. We tend to dwell on worst-case scenarios, even if their probability is slim. Challenge these thoughts. Ask yourself, is this thought realistic? What evidence supports it? And what are more positive or realistic alternatives? Your secret tools for facing anxiety. Fortunately, there are many tools and techniques you can use to confront anxiety and reduce its impact on your life. Deep breathing. When we feel anxious, our breathing often becomes rapid and shallow. Deep, slow breathing is a natural antidote to anxiety. Inhale deeply through your nose for a count of 4, hold your breath for 2 seconds, then exhale slowly through your mouth for a count of 6. Practice this exercise multiple times daily, especially when you feel anxiety escalating. It sends a signal to your brain that you are safe, calming your nervous system. Mindfulness. Mindfulness means being present in the current moment, observing your thoughts and feelings without judgment. Anxiety often revolves around the past or the future, but mindfulness brings you back to the here and now. Try daily meditation, even for just a few minutes. Notice your surroundings, sounds, smells. Focus on the sensation of your body. This helps reduce mental clutter and calms the mind. Physical activity. The power of exercise in combating anxiety cannot be overstated. When you exercise, your body releases endorphins, natural chemicals that improve mood and reduce stress. You don't need to become an Olympic athlete. Even a brisk 30-minute walk daily can make a huge difference. Diet and sleep. What we eat and whether we get enough sleep significantly impact our mental health. Reduce caffeine and sugar, which can exacerbate anxiety symptoms. Ensure you get 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Establish a bedtime routine that helps you relax before sleep. Setting boundaries. A significant part of anxiety stems from feeling overwhelmed or overcommit. Learn to say no to things that excessively burden you. Set aside time for rest and relaxation. Don't be afraid to protect your time and energy. Communication and support. Don't isolate yourself. Talk to friends, family, or someone you trust about how you're feeling. Simply articulating your emotions can have a profoundly therapeutic effect. Joining support groups, where you share experiences with others going through similar circumstances, can give you a sense of belonging and understanding. Seek professional help. Sometimes, anxiety can be so severe that it requires professional intervention. Do not be ashamed to seek help from a therapist or doctor. They can provide advanced coping strategies, cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, or even medication if necessary. Seeking help is a sign of strength, not weakness. Remember, you are stronger than your anxiety. The journey of overcoming anxiety is not a straight line. It may involve ups and downs. There will be days when you feel better, and other days when those old feelings may resurface. The important thing is not to give up. Every time you face anxiety and choose to apply coping strategies, you strengthen your mental muscle and become more resilient. Anxiety is not an inescapable fate, it is a feeling that can be managed and controlled. Remember that you possess the inner strength to conquer it. Focus on the present moment, give yourself love and compassion, and keep moving forward. Your life is worth living with freedom and calm. What's the first step you'll take today to begin your journey towards freedom from anxiety? And in the end, if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Goodbye.